Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install vuetify in Laravel with Jetstream and inertia.js. So let's get started. First of all, open your terminal. I'm going to assume that you have already installed Composer in your system. If you don't have Composer, please do install it. Now I'm gonna go to desktop. I'm creating my project in desktop. So to install Laravel, you have to type composer create dash project Laravel slash Laravel. Uh, our project name would be Vuetify Vuetify example. Uh, Let me make that a bit bigger so it is easy to see. Okay, now you run this. It will take some time to create new Laravel project. Okay, our Laravel installation has completed. Now we have to cd to our beautify example example. Now code dot to open it in Visual Studio. Okay, now you have to go to uh, composer.json file. This composer.json file, and in this section you have to add Laravel slash Jetstream Jetstream is 2.1. We are going to go with this older version of Jetstream since Vuetify is not supported in Vue 3. We have to go with Vue 2, and Jetstream 2.1 version comes with Vue 2. So save it and open a terminal, and now you have to run composer update. Once that is done, you have to install Jetstream-inertia. To install that, you have to run psp artisan jetstream Jetstream install inertia. Now do npm install to install it, finalize the installation. Now npm install has completed. Now what we have to do is npm install vuetify. Okay, now once that is done, you have to add css files. Now go to resources, css, and app.css, and add these three lines. And save it. You can go to official Vuetify page to get these fonts and all. Now what we have to do is go to our resource and js and app.js and import Vuetify. To do that, import import Vuetify from vuetify and import uh, py slash dash slash vuetify.min.css file. We have to import these two files, and then uh, you have to view uh, vuetify, uh, and then you have to initialize your Beautify application. Mm, To initialize your Beautify application, you have to beautify to new beautify. Oh, here's comma, and you should save it. Now run npm run this. At this point, Beautify should start working. Now, to check whether Beautify with Inertia.js is working or not, we can write a simple program to see whether it is working or not. So let's go to JS and pages and create a new file named test.view, and let's create a simple template with v-add and a container container with the button. Let's create a button, and it will say CLI click me. Now what we have to do is go to web.php. Let's remove this. Let's remove this and return iner. We can iner inertia is to render, and save it. Now we have to migrate our database. We can run npm run watch to automatically compile our view code whenever it is changed. Okay, our compilation has finished. Let's do php organizer and see whether our program has worked or not. Yes, here is our button, click me.